Hey guys, so today we're going to show you how to oil your hinges with cooking spray because we didn't get any WD-40. Okay, my dad's going to do it. We'll just film it. Okay.
Okay, so our door sounds like this.
That wasn't very good. There it goes. Okay, that's good, thanks.
And Mrs. Heinrich gets very annoyed. What?
That's good, thank you.
So, in order to fix that, we're going to spray it with cooking oil, olive oil. Olive oil is better for you than the other oil. So, usually we would use WD-40, but we only need WD-40 for this one thing, and I wasn't going to buy a whole thing of WD-40 just for that. So, oh well. So, olive oil it is. Grilled cheese sandwiches and oiling the hinges. There is an old gospel song about oiling the hinges, but I'm not going to sing tonight. Okay, so what you want to do is just spray it on the hinge and then work it in. So, watch. Buttery.
Oh, we have 3 hinges?
Yeah, it still works. It still makes a little noise. Listen, it's already better. You can do it on the inside as well. The hinges. Probably would not hurt to get a cloth, paper towel, and kind of wipe the excess.
Don't use my good dish rag. Ow!
You can't because it's in the washer. And the olive oil does work.
That's how you oil your hinges, people.
All right, we're out.